CareTrace is a purpose-built solution developed by Marra to support hospices in tracking both clinical and non-clinical activities with ease and precision. It's mobile-friendly and is proven to save staff 2 to 3 hours per week in admin time, which frees them up to do more important work like care for patients. Let's begin by showing just how simple and quick the Power app makes it to add a new patient record. The process starts by entering the NHS number, followed by the patient's initials, date of birth, and any other key details, tailored to what's most relevant for the hospice. You can also capture the patient's current stage in their care journey, ensuring the record reflects their individual needs. Once the patient profile is created, your staff can immediately begin logging activities associated with that patient. Just like the patient record, the activity form allows you to enter essential information such as the type of activity, date, location, and any other data required by the hospice. Once complete, the record is saved with a single click. CareTrace also supports the logging of non-patient activities. Medical professionals can record tasks such as training, meetings, or administrative duties by creating a non-patient activity record. These entries include the type of activity, date, duration, and location, providing a full picture of how time is spent across the organisation. All patient activity data flows seamlessly into a dynamic Power BI dashboard. The landing page offers a high-level overview of key performance indicators, giving hospice teams insights into operational metrics. Filters allow staff to tailor the view to their individual parameters, such as date ranges or activity types. From here, staff can drill down into more detailed views. One section visualises patient activity by category, offering clarity on what type of care are being delivered. Again, filters can be used to tailor the view. Another view breaks down activity by patient, helping teams understand how services vary by age, care stage, or other factors. There's even a timeline feature that maps out each patient's journey, activity by activity. The report also highlights how activity is distributed across professional roles. You'll see both patient-facing and non-patient tasks, along with their durations, helping leadership understand how workload and resource is allocated. Non-patient activities are further broken down by type, showing trends in duration and location. Again, filters allow staff to focus on the data that matters the most. Finally, the dashboard presents trends over time, whether by activity type, patient demographics, or professional role. You can see the total count of patient and non-patient activities over time, as well as the duration in hours over time and the distinct count of patients with activity over time. You can even view individual staff members to see how their time is allocated. The buttons across the top make it easy to toggle between patient and non-patient views, whether you're tracking counts or durations. This solution empowers hospices to make data-driven decisions, streamline operations, and deliver exceptional care with confidence.